Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how crypto will change the world. Let's start with the biggest advantage of crypto, the decentralization. Traditional currencies like the dollar or euro are centralized, meaning they are issued and regulated by a central authority like a government or central bank. In contrast, decentralized cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks of computers called blockchains. These blockchains are distributed across many computers, nodes worldwide, and each node holds a copy of the entire transaction history of the cryptocurrency. Decentralized networks are more secure because they don't have a single point of failure. Traditional centralized systems are vulnerable to hacking attacks or technical failures at the central point, but decentralized networks distribute the data across many nodes, making them much harder to attack or compromise. Decentralized networks are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their location or background. This inclusivity promotes financial inclusion by providing banking services to the unbanked or underbanked populations. Reduced fees. By eliminating intermediaries, decentralized systems can reduce transaction fees compared to traditional financial services. This can result in cost savings for users, especially for cross-border transactions or in regions with high banking fees. Anyone can participate in decentralized networks without requiring permission. This fosters innovation as developers can freely build decentralized applications, dApps, on top of existing protocols without needing approval from any central authority. Users can interact directly with each other without needing to trust any intermediaries. Transactions are validated by consensus algorithms and recorded on a public ledger such as the blockchain, ensuring transparency and eliminating the need for trust in third parties. Another big advantage are the reduced transaction costs. Traditional financial transactions often involve intermediaries such as banks, which charge fees for their services. Crypto transactions can significantly reduce or even eliminate these fees, making it cheaper to send money across borders or make purchases online. Cross-border payments. Cryptocurrencies can facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border transactions compared to traditional banking systems, which often involve multiple intermediaries and high fees. Another big advantage is the accessibility. Cryptocurrencies can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection, regardless of geographical location or financial status. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals in developing countries who may not have access to traditional banking services. Crypto is very innovative. Crypto has been a hotbed for innovation since its inception. Here are some innovative developments in the crypto space. DeFi, decentralized finance. DeFi platforms have emerged as alternatives to traditional financial services, offering decentralized lending, borrowing, trading, and more. They operate on blockchain networks, allowing users to transact without intermediaries. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. NFTs have gained widespread attention for their ability to represent ownership of unique digital assets such as art, collectibles, and virtual real estate using blockchain technology. They enable creators to monetize their work and collectors to prove ownership. Blockchain interoperability. Projects are working on enabling different blockchain networks to communicate and transact with each other seamlessly, fostering interoperability between disparate blockchains. Layer 2 scaling solutions. To address the scalability issues of blockchains like Ethereum, Layer 2 scaling solutions like sidechains and rollups are being developed. These solutions aim to increase transaction throughput while reducing fees. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs are organizations governed by smart contracts and run by community members, allowing for decentralized decision-making and management of funds. They enable collective ownership and operation of projects without centralized control. Privacy coins and protocols. Privacy-focused cryptocurrencies and protocols are enhancing privacy and anonymity in transactions, providing users with greater financial privacy and security. Tokenization of assets. Assets like real estate, stocks, and commodities are being tokenized on blockchain platforms, enabling fractional ownership and easier transfer of ownership. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets like fiat currencies or commodities. They provide the stability of traditional currencies while retaining the benefits of cryptocurrencies, facilitating easier trading and remittance. Decentralized identity projects are exploring the use of blockchain technology to create decentralized identity systems, allowing individuals to control and manage their digital identities securely without relying on centralized authorities. These are just a few examples of the innovative developments happening in the crypto space, and the landscape continues to evolve rapidly as new technologies and ideas emerge. Inflation wouldn't be a problem anymore with crypto because of the inflation hedge. Some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a capped supply, meaning there's a finite amount that can ever be created. This scarcity can act as a hedge against inflation, unlike fiat currencies that can be printed endlessly by central banks, potentially devaluing existing currency holdings. Globalization is another big factor. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the need for a global currency becomes more apparent. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to transcend borders and facilitate seamless cross-border transactions without the need for currency conversions or dealing with different regulatory regimes. Innovative ideas for crypto in the future. Blockchain-based voting systems, creating secure and transparent voting systems using blockchain technology. This could help improve the integrity and accessibility of elections by enabling remote voting and ensuring tamper-proof records. Tokenization of assets. Tokenizing real-world assets such as real estate, artwork, and intellectual property rights to make them more accessible for investment. This could unlock liquidity in traditionally illiquid markets and enable fractional ownership. How to make money with crypto. Earning money with cryptocurrency can be approached in several ways, but it's important to remember that it carries risks, just like any other investment or venture. Here are some common methods. Trading: buy low, sell high. This is the basic principle of trading any asset, including cryptocurrencies. You can try to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations by buying low and selling high. However, trading requires a good understanding of market analysis, risk management, and a willingness to accept losses. Investing. Investing in cryptocurrencies with a long-term perspective is another approach. Research different projects, their fundamentals and potential for growth. Then, invest in the ones you believe have strong potential. Keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Mining. Mining involves validating transactions on a blockchain network in exchange for rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. While it was once profitable for individuals to mine cryptocurrencies using their computers, it has become increasingly difficult and resource-intensive, requiring specialized hardware and significant electricity costs. However, some cryptocurrencies still offer mining opportunities, especially if you have access to cheap electricity and specialized mining equipment. Staking. Some cryptocurrencies use a consensus mechanism called proof of stake, POS, where validators are chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake or lock up. In return, they receive rewards in the form of additional coins. Staking can be a way to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies. Providing liquidity. You can participate in liquidity pools on decentralized finance, DeFi platforms by supplying cryptocurrencies to be used for trading. In return, you receive rewards in the form of trading fees or additional tokens. Freelancing or offering services. If you have skills in programming, design, writing, or any other field, you can offer your services and accept payments in cryptocurrencies. Platforms like Bitwage allow you to receive your salary or invoices in cryptocurrency. Participating in airdrops and bounties. Some cryptocurrency projects distribute free tokens through airdrops or offer rewards for completing specific tasks or bounties. Keep an eye on crypto forums, social media, and dedicated platforms for such opportunities. And that's how crypto will change the modern world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give a like.